Hello friends, we are back with another popular Konkani sweet dish, Puran Poli. This is usually made during festivals and other happy occasions at home. Other than Konkanis, a lot of other regional people also have the same dish with little variation and other names. So let's see how to make this simple dish. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get the latest notification from us. To make Puran Poli, we need 1 cup of chana dal, 2 cup of maida, 3/4 cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, and half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Firstly, in a pressure cooker, we will be taking the chana dal and water and cooking the chana dal until it turns soft and mushy. Once the chana dal is cooked, we will wait for it to cool down for some time and drain the water. In the meantime, in a bowl, we are going to add the maida, salt, and mix well. Add water little by little and prepare the dough. Once the dough is half done, we are going to add ghee and mix well. Add a pinch of turmeric to add color to the dough. Now our dough is prepared. We keep it aside for about a half an hour. In the meantime, we are going to add chana dal and sugar and grind it using a mixer until you get a fine paste. In a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of ghee and add the chana dal paste. Keep mixing and cook until you get a dough-like consistency. This is called the puran. Once the puran is ready, we are going to keep it aside for some time until it cools down and take small portion and make balls out of it. Prepare the maida ball a little larger than the puran. Using a rolling pin, spread the maida ball and place the puran in between. Close it from all the sides and pinch the center. Spread the puran poli flat and thin by applying pressure in the center. Keep the tawa in medium flame and cook both the sides of the puran poli by flipping it. Once it is half done, apply ghee on both the sides. Now your puran poli is ready. Do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like our video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There are few more videos on your screen. Do click and enjoy them as well. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Keep smiling and do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.